Hello everyone and welcome to one new video of world-itech.com. Today we will see how to replace the screen of iPhone 11.
We offer you a 10% discount with the code YouTube on all spare parts on our worldwilde.com website. Take advantage of worldwide delivery, and our customer service is at your disposal by email and telephone.
So you will need the replacement screen. We offer with one toolkit, so you have everything you need to. Make the replacement with the screwdrivers, suction cups, and plastic and metal pick. In addition, we will use one magnetic pattern, so you can put screws directly on, to avoid losing them or mixing them. Then we will use one supplement, professional screwdrivers, so cruciform, Torx, and tri-wing, and a small right Brussels clamp. And one opener, so it's the same thing as the meteor, but with one round so much more practical. And finally one spudger, so it's the same as the two little spatulas, except that it is still more solid. To start, we will turn off the phone. And with the Torx screwdriver, we will remove the two screws on each side of the load connector. If the screen is not too broken at the bottom of the phone, we will be able to put one suction cup to create one opening. If, unfortunately, the glass is broken, you can simply use the opener or metal pick to create the opening. With the Spencer or the blue spatula, continue to take off the screen all around the frame. So don't insert in too deeply, just enough to take off the seal. When the phone is open, we will take the tri-wing screwdriver to remove all screws that maintain the metal plate. With one spatula, we'll disconnect the connectors from the screen, without forgetting the speaker connectivity and sensors. We will remove the 4 screws. So on the right, there are 3 of them with cruciform heads, and one very small one in the top left corner with one Turing head. We simply turn the speaker over with the clamp. We will remove the little metallic piece on the sensor. With the flat screwdriver, we will pass it delicately under the flex to take off as the sensors go along of the screen. With the screwdriver throwing, we will remove all the screws that remain on the screen, so all around. With the opener, we will take off the flex of the metal plate that is located at the back. So we go slowly to not tear it away. One time the flecks are peeled off, we will be able to remove the plate metal at the back of the screen. The flex is passed through the hole. And we will destroy the flex, which is slightly glued to the pad. So it separates from the screen, quite easily from the bottom. We take the new screen. So we recover the original one since it is not broken, and we'll put the phone up the other way. So we pass the flex in the metal plate. And we put it back on the back of the screen. 2 little pieces ago, to put inside the screen, to succeed in putting it well. We put back all of the streaming which are located on the sides of the screen. We then replace the sensors and the speaker on the screen. Without forgetting, of course, the little clips, which is placed on the sensor at the top. We put back the 4 screws to fix it on the screen. we'll clean the frame to remove the old seal, everything round around glass. For those who wish to, you can hand over one new seal, so it will prevent the dust from coming in or that the moisture crashes into the phone. So you can, of course, find it all on our store, worlditech.com. We will reconnect the screen on the rest of the phone. So the flex of the speaker and sensors, and then the 2 layers of the screen, then we will put the metal plate back and all those throwing screws, so you can set the screen like this without pulling too much on the flex, otherwise it will tear them apart. And we can close the phone. So the screen clips first at the top. Here are the little piece in the frame, and then press the edges to finish fitting it. We have left now to put the 2 screws back on each side of the load connector, and the repair is coming to an end. Thank you for watching us, and see you soon.